Hello guys, and I am Akhil. I am from DSC SASTRA. So welcome to the next video of Adobe XD Scratchclass. And as mentioned in the previous video, I have said I will explain plugins the detailed manner in the next video. So this video is dedicated only to know about the plugins. So these are some plugins, famous plugins like Airtable. You can integrate Airtable, Trello, user testing, Google Sheets, and much more. There are thousands and thousands of plugins that are made by developers for XD. And you can also, if you want to join the developer community, and if you want to build a plugin also, you could build a plugin. There is a separate documentation section in Adobe XD so that you could learn how to build plugins and you could develop it. So as far this video is concerned, so we will see how to integrate our favorite plugins in our Adobe XD and how to use it. So let me get into XD, and this will be your landing page. So I'm going to the menu bar, and there will be a separate section called plugins. I'm going to the plugin section, and I am going to discover plugins. So once you click on the discover plugins, you will get a lot of you will land up in the plugin homepage section. So you can see essential plugins, UI faces, Andra. Andra is an official Andra for Andra is a illustration asset tool. So you have a lot of plugins here. So let's go to the browse section. So here you could see UI faces, icons. It will give you icons for your design. Sample lorem ipsum text, web export. It will give your HTML and CSS code for your design. So you have a lots and lots of XD plugins. So first let us see how to install a plugin. So go to your favorite plugin. So let me take Andra. So if I go into the Andra, you could see about the plugin. So they have stated that beautiful illustrations for your client and personal design project without attribution. So this states that you can use the illustrations without attribution. So you could also see how it comes in the before installing. You could see the preview of the images. So you could see it will give us the illustrations. So let's install this. I'm clicking on install. It will install. So I could see the plugin installed. So I am coming back. So when you go to the manage section, you could see the installed plugin. I have already installed the icons for designs. I will show you in a while. And now I have installed the Andra plugin. So you could see the Andra plugin has been installed. So coming to the home page again after installation, I am going to the plugin section again. So you could see there are two plugins, icons for design and Andra, or else you could go to the plugins section here with the plugin icon, or you could press Shift Control and T. When I click it, you can see there are two plugins, icons for design and Andra. So now we have installed Andra, right? So I am going into the Andra. So it's loading. So you could see a lot of illustrations coming here, right? Suppose I want to search for mobile. So I have made the keyword as mobile and it's searching. So you could see a lot of mobile images. So let me select one. I am selecting this one. So it's downloading. So you could see your image is loaded on your clipboard. To paste it, you could use the normal paste command. Okay, I am clicking on done. So I am coming to the home page section and I am pressing Ctrl+ V. So I am pasting. So you could see the asset has been exported here. So you could manage your illustration here. So this is a Andra plugin. So if I go to icons for design, I could search for icons in ease. I don't want to go for Google or some other website, and I should search for icons and download it and import it here. So I am searching for Android. So I could see Android icon here, right? When I click on Android icon, it automatically imports into my artboard. So if I could resize it, like let me give it some size of 100. So you could see the icon, right? So you could import directly from your plugin section, so that you have lots and lots of plugin. as you have seen UI faces, lots and lots, which should make your work easier, saves a lot of time while working hands on real project. So you could search for, sometimes if you are a developer, you could it will also help you to export the CSS and HTML code up to optimized level. And recently Flutter has released an XD2 Flutter plugin. So this needs a detailed explanation with Flutter, guys. So if you need a detailed explanation, put down in the comment section so that I could make a separate video for XD2 Flutter integration too. So it will give you the dark code so that you could export the UI to Flutter, and you could work on it, so that you should only work on the backend stuff in Flutter. So the UI part will be automatically over when you design in XD and export it to the Flutter section. So you could see lot of Airtable to database management. So copy CSS to clipboard, you can copy the CSS code to your clipboard, color spark and color blender. You have a lot of if you are poor in color selection, there are a lot of color palettes and gradients plugins also. You could have a look at it. So I am ending up with this. So search and explore all the plugins, and install your favorite plugins, and design your user experience with much ease. And also don't forget to put down your favorite plugins in the comment section, so that I could see that, and if it's very good, it would also help me for my design. So, and if you are not if your searchable plugin is not available, so ask to me so that I could help you with the plugin. So that's it for today, guys. So thank you. This is Akhil, Associate Head of DSC SASTRA University, signing off. Bye bye.